Okay, y'all, so for this video, it's going to be a voiceover. And so we're just going to jump right into the eyeshadow look. I have a picture of what the matte look looks like from the crayon case. And so on that third row, you're going to see those pinky shades. Those are going to be the three colors that I'm working with, starting with the pink color that is at the top and working my way on down to add depth and dimension. So right now I have my Morphe M441 brush and I'm just packing that into my crease, and then you will see me go back and forth with windshield wiper motions to blend and blow that eyeshadow out. So yeah. Okay, so next I am going in with that second pink shade in the matte book palette, and I am taking a smaller Morphe brush, and I am using this brush to pack that color into my crease. So I'm going just a little bit lower. I placed the first color and I'm going a little bit below that and adding that second color, just giving the look some more depth and dimension. I am going to add the third shade, which is like a purple type shade, and that is really going to help with deepening the crease a lot more, and so it's just going to make it more prominent. I think I want to do a video about eyeshadow, an eyeshadow technique, how I layer my shadows to give me a nice, a nice look to where you can still see all of your shades, but everything is just in. Okay, so here I am just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I am just using this to carve out my crease where I want to place my eyeshadow. I'm taking my Morphe brush. Again, I do not know the number of this brush, but it will be listed in the description box below. I am taking my Morphe brush to carve out my crease. I really like this brush. I really believe that they've come out with more brushes that are like, this one with the number, but the way they made it is different. So like I guess I got this brush with a different batch because I'm pretty sure it's different. But you saw I just blended that out with my finger, and then I am taking that other small Morphe brush and just adding some color to the edges of my eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to take this white shade and pack that onto my lid using my Sigma brush. I'm going to list all the brushes below that I'm going to be using, so don't worry. But yes, that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, I don't know why I'm so hyped right now in this part, but I did my liner off camera and I used the Crayon case liquid liner to line my eyes. And then I used the Lancôme primer. This primer is so nice and so it feels good on the skin, and so that's what I used. And I am now using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. So I'm color correcting. Thumbs up this video if you want another video on just color correcting specifically. But I have some dark marks on my face, and so that's what I'm using to conceal that, because I've been noticing that lately those dark spots have been peeking through my foundation, and I'm just setting it with some translucent powder. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And I'm just using my Sonia Keshuk sponge. Y'all, if y'all don't have these sponges, y'all are definitely sleep on them. They are $5 and you get 2 sponges. I love these sponges. I've had the beauty blender, like I've had all of the sponges, and I love the beauty blender, but if you're looking for a cheap alternative, the Sonia Keshuk sponges are great, and you can find them at your local Target. Right here I'm using the Total Control NYX foundation. So I like the foundation. It's okay. It's a little too light for me, but you'll see in this video that I did make it work. I'm really been on the hunt for some good foundation, because like I like to be warm, but the reality is that I'm red, and so it just doesn't work for me. The cool tone foundations work better for me. So it's like I'm gonna have to find a workaround to get in the perfect foundation, because I have another video coming up for y'all, and I'm not gonna go too further into detail, but it's just like I like the foundation, but you guys will be able to see what I'm talking about, and I'll explain to you guys in that video what I'm saying about the foundation. So I'm just on a hunt for an affordable foundation, but probably just gonna start switching over to the higher end products because they seem to work a lot better for me. And here I'm just putting on that Maybelline Pro Matte Foundation on my forehead, because I just was not feeling the NYX Total Control. I didn't want that to go on my forehead, but even just looking at this footage, I'm like, yuck. Like, I didn't like the foundation either, the Maybelline foundation, because I mean, it's not Maybelline, L'Oreal. I didn't like the L'Oreal because it was like, now it's starting to look super olivey and just muggy on my forehead. But again, I made it work. So yeah, I'm using the NYX Total Control. I'm not Total Control. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Now I like the concealer. I just wasn't crazy about the shade that I got. I wish I would have gone a lot lighter. This look, I mean, it looked cute when I was doing it, but when I'm looking at this footage, I'm just like, I'm not super crazy about it, but I made it work. And actually, the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer was really good. And I went to Ulta to try to exchange it, but they didn't have it, so I ended up getting something different. And here I'm just setting my foundation. Not my foundation. I'm setting the concealer with the Crayon case chalk dust powder, and I am going back in with those shades that I used to create this look to add the color up under my eye. I put my lashes off camera, and I also bronzed off camera, and I was using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Now I am just using the Crayon case highlighter. I don't know the name of it, but again, it will be in the description box for y'all when y'all check it out. So yeah, I really like the highlight. She did a good job on that. And then I'm just doing my lipstick. You guys already know I am using the NYX lip liner in the color brown, and I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. I don't know the name again, but it will be listed in the description box below. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am completed and I am in love with this look. This look to me is everything. I use the crayon case. So I use the matte book. I do not know how much this retails for, but I will be sure to link it in the description box below. I did use her lashes. It comes like this. So I used her lashes and that's what they look like. Really, you know, cute, flirty. I like those. I also use the box of crayons palette as well. So yeah, hold on. I used her makeup wipes to wipe off everything, you know, something like that. And that was it for the crayon case. So mainly I created this look. I know, well, I did create this entire eyeshadow look using a crayon case. I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation that is also new, and I used the color Golden, and I used it around here, and then up here I used my Maybelline. No, I was about to say Maybelline Fit Me. Hold on. I used the Maybelline. This is L'Oreal. Sorry, y'all. I used the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation on my forehead just because I was looking at myself in the mirror and on camera, and it just did not look like it was coming out good. But when I went to go look at myself in the bathroom, it looks good. So yes, but I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. No, this is not Can't Stop Won't Stop. What is wrong with me? Okay, I'm taking all that back. I did not use the Can't Stop Won't Stop. I used the Total Control foundation like this. So it's so dropless. It is full coverage. And when I use that orange concealer to color correct, it really did help. So I like that. And then I also used her highlighter, but you guys will see this in another video if this video isn't already up. So yes. And then I think that is it. Everything else is just what I pretty much use on a daily basis. I use the Anastasia lippy. You know, guys know that is my favorite. That is my favorite lip combination. If y'all hear my nanny in the back, excuse her. But I use the liquid lipstick in Naked, and I use just the brown lip liner from NYX. So that's pretty much it. Overall, I actually love this eyeshadow look, and I love the crayon case colors. I really hope one day I can become a crayon cutie. So I'm gonna go take some Instagram pictures and tag Super so she can see my work, so she can make me a crayon cutie. Super Island. But yes, that's it, y'all. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Here with looks, more highlight. I'm just saying, I'm not playing. But that's it, y'all. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you leave me some video suggestions down in the comment section. I am going to be on it. I'm already putting in, you know, I'm already working, so I got some stuff coming for y'all. But yeah, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for all y'all love and support. Until next time, bye.